Okay, so the welding process here at Men of Metal, very important part of what we do here. So you'll see the welding is really the heat affected zone that goes on here. What we do and what our specialty is TIG welding. Now we also can do other types of welding. We do laser welding, we can even offer MIG welding, but our primary focus and what we do the most of is called TIG welding. Some refer to it as like a micro welding. Ultimately, it's a very detailed style of welding. It's very precise. You know, in this format of welding, you have to be a skilled craftsman. You can't just jump on a welder and get it done. It has to be done meticulously, skilled. You have to have the right training. This is something that takes years to accumulate, but it's one of our many specialties here at Men of Metal. So as you can see, we're able to fill the gaps in the seams. Our welders are top notch. We can weld any piece of metal, copper, stainless steel, brass, aluminum, whatever you need done. And as far as welding goes, we offer welding here at our shop, or also we can come to you. So we offer mobile welding services here in Volusia County in Central Florida.